Unswerving dedication. Understanding its meaning and use. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's powerful in its depiction of commitment and steadiness. Unswerving. This word can add a serious tone when you describe someone's loyalty or commitment. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use it correctly in different contexts. So, let's get started and unravel the depths of this steadfast word. The word unswerving is an adjective which means very steady and firm in purpose or belief. It's derived from the word swerve, which means to turn aside or be turned aside abruptly. Therefore, when you add the prefix "un" to swerve, it literally means not turning aside, which figuratively means remaining faithful or constant in one's purpose, actions, or beliefs, without any deviation. Imagine driving on a straight road without turning the steering wheel to the left or right. That's the kind of steadiness unswerving conveys. Let's look at how to use unswerving in various sentences. 1. Describing commitment. 2. Her unswerving dedication to the cause inspired everyone around her. 3. He showed unswerving loyalty to his team, even in tough times. 4. In context of motion or direction. 5. The ship's unswerving course through the storm was a testament to the captain's skill. 6. Metaphorical use. 7. The athlete's unswerving focus is what won her the gold medal. In each of these sentences, unswerving highlights the subject's unwavering nature. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for unswerving. Steadfast, implying firmness and unwavering conviction. Resolute, suggesting determination. Undeviating, literally means not deviating off course. Unfaltering, means not faltering or showing hesitation. Unyielding, denotes not giving way under pressure. You can use these words interchangeably depending on the context. Understanding the opposite of a word can also enhance your grasp of its meaning. The antonyms include inconstant, fickle, vacillating. These words can be used when the commitment or direction changes frequently. When learning a new word, it's essential to understand common mistakes to avoid. Don't confuse unswerving with unobservable or unassuming, which have entirely different meanings. Avoid using unswerving to describe actions or objects that literally cannot turn or swerve. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of unswerving for you. Remember, to be unswerving is to be as steady as a ship sailing directly towards its destination, without being swayed by the wind or waves. Use this word when you want to describe someone's firm and steadfast nature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.